vegetable in front.
Oh, you have to plant it?
Yeah.
Today, gonna go to the garden and do some planting. So it's quite noisy because some plumbing doing something at home. So they run the generator, that's why it's so loud. But we'll teach you how to plant this one.
One plant per one bed.
All right.
Yeah.
So this big guy will teach me how to plant.
Another simple.
All right. So now we're heading to the garden. Do some planting. This vegetable I'm going to put in the ground.
Next one, vegetable.
Oh, this small one, it will grow like that.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that. Look at there. You see that? Woo, big one. Yeah. So, do you need to wash? Do you need to put water first before you put this?
Butters. Like this.
All right.
Yeah.
So we will have to dig. Let's look at this one.
Yeah, that's like this simple one plant.
Okay. All right. Do you need water? Oh, so you put first, you plant, and then you
What?
water.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like this. It's me.
Is this the one you digging yesterday?
It's me.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Like this. So.
all right. All right.
Like this. One
How
plant.
deep? Okay. All right. I'll do it. You do it more. I'll do it. I'll do it. Some of the plants.
About.
Okay. So how many meters away?
2 weeks.
No, I'm saying how many meters away? This one.
Tunangochi.
Oh,
And no.
okay. This weed. Okay, this and then another one that side.
Another one plant.
Okay. Oh, make the straight line. I'll do the second line.
Like this. 2 lines.
Okay, do the first line. I'll do the second line.
Alright.
Okay. So he's planting
Alright.
a vegetable.
Yeah.
Yay. You see that? Yeah.
About 2 weeks.
2 weeks. It will grow like
Like this.
So these small plants after 2 weeks they grow like that. You see that? You see they're so big. Yeah.
Straight line.
Straight line, yeah. Okay.
From Australia, vegetable.
We have, it's called kale. It's similar with this, but it's a bit harder.
Like the
Kale.
green pepper.
I don't know what is kale in Shona. Yeah, spinach. Yeah, it's a different one, but there's another one. It looks like this one. It's like a Chinese cabbage. Yeah. So. Ooh.
From Australia, carrots, alpha. Carrots.
Yeah, we have carrots there. There are plenty.
Right.
Yeah.
Alright. It's fine.
Cabbage. There is $20. One cabbage.
Big man.
But here you can buy $1. One whole cabbage. 20, yeah. 20 Australian.
Too much.
Yeah, it's true. Especially when there is I think it I don't know what happened, but last month, April, it was so high, $20.
Alright.
One whole.
Yeah.
One head.
Like this is salad.
Yeah.
Right. Too much.
Yeah.
No fun after 15 years. 20, no. Too much. You want this?
Yeah.
No, one.
Yeah, one.
One man. Cabbage.
No, one piece. One piece.
Oh.
One whole is 20. I think when I left was like to $18 now. Eh.
Alright. Like this green pepper.
Green pepper,
How much?
the capsicum, it depends. If it's big, it's different price.
Same price.
No, it's still expensive. $5 per kg.
Alright. Yeah, here like this is no more.
No, it's not. Here it's very cheap. You can buy 5 pieces for $1.
Alright. Yeah.
So I'll do the third line.
Yeah, sure.
Look at this one. See that? Big.
Like this nice one.
Yeah. This is organic. There's no chemical. You see that? So some can eat the leaves. This is very
Vegetable.
yeah, very tomorrow. Because I cook cabbage today, so this one you harvest for today for tomorrow.
Alright. It's fine.
For tomorrow. Okay, dude, hold this. I'll plant. Hold like this.
Alright.
So hold this. Hold that.
Alright.
I'll do the planting.
Simple.
Eh.
Alright.
So guys, you have to do planting.
Like this.
Dig.
Yeah.
Why is that? You have to dig it. Yeah?
Yeah, like. No, not the symbol. Like this.
Yeah.
So. Oh.
Eh. All right. Okay. Yeah. Hold.
Right. That's good.
So it's easy.
Yeah.
Someone is teaching you.
Yeah, like notice symbol.
No.
Nada, come from Australia, vegetable.
Now I will plant here. Oh, it's already here. This one? Here?
Yeah.
They show this one.
Yeah. So,
This one here.
yeah.
This one. Yeah?
Yeah.
You have to pay for this.
Alright, yeah, another one.
I'm working.
Another one planting here. Job. Like Job. This is Job.
This is a job.
Yeah. Not like this.
But you plant this one here.
Alright, sorry.
Yeah.
This is like agriculture.
Yeah. It's agricultural training.
And I'm trying.
Yeah.
It's fine.
You're my professor.
Alright.
Yeah.
I like Job.
Yeah.
Like Simbu.
How much is salary? You have to pay me for this.
It's me. Sick man. Yeah.
Easy peasy.
Another one plant like this. After 2 weeks, vegetable like this.
You show me after 2 weeks, okay?
Yeah, I'm feeding mulch. Grass like this.
Yeah.
Another simple big one.
So what about this small?
Down.
All of these? Hello.
Hello, Mom, how are you?
I'm planting.
I can see, that's why I'm
Hey.
that's why I'm coming here. How to see what are you actually doing?
I'm planting.
Are you able?
Yeah. You teach me. Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Chibom,
Yes, this is
Chufambe.
How are you?
I'm good.
Is it?
I'm a farmer.
You're a farmer,
Eh.
but you are being taught then.
No, I asked him to teach me.
Is it?
He showed me how. And I
How
said,
to
let
plant.
me do the third lane.
All right.
And I'm doing it now.
This
I
way.
asked him to pay me.
All
I'm
right.
doing the job.
All right. Yes, I can see. you got to pay you. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Great. Otherwise, how are you?
I'm enjoying here.
Is it? How is
Yeah.
your husband?
Oh, he went out.
I haven't seen him since he came.
He's busy.
Always come and I don't see him. I come, I don't see him. So
No, I think he will come back soon.
soon.
Yeah.
So I'm going to the township. So when I come back now,
He's home.
when he's home, I'll see him.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, really, I can see a farmer now. Wow.
He's a new skills.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Eh.
And very fast.
Very.
Very fast. Well, I've seen him. I'll see you when I...
I asked him after 2 weeks, show me what I planted.
Oh, yes. That's great. I'll see you then.
See you.
Are both bomb?
One more.
Another.
Here.
No, I know roots.
The roots.
Yeah, spread.
Oh, this is not easy job. It's not easy. Because you have to sit down and do this.
Alright. It's not his job.
It's not.
Yeah, like this. Another one. Plant.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Oh, teach
So
me.
you have to the roots.
I see. You're right.
The roots.
Another one plant.
Yeah.
It's fine. My job,
I make your job easy.
not his job. Not simple.
Yeah.
That's fine, bro.
Hello.
Hello.
That's what I say.
That's better.
I'm planting. What is this? The vegetable. Like this. How you call this?
Viscous.
Biha?
Viscous.
Viscous.
Yes.
Alright.
Teach me. Not the planting.
Teaching me. You plant?
Yes. Alright.
What do you plant?
Vegetable only.
Also like this?
Yes. And onions.
Onions!
Yes.
Wow, I love onions.
Oh. I have some onion and vegetable.
You sell it?
If you want, I can sell. If you want, I can sell. Look at this one. Spread.
Yes.
You show me the corner.
This one.
Yeah.
Alright.
Show this one.
Okay, one plant.
So you have to remove.
Yeah, like this, not the. Yeah.
One only?
Yeah,
Yeah, bring some today. Onion.
Okay, I can do tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Alright, tomorrow.
Mati mana Ingrid? Mati? Alright. Not the simple. Ini murongo kana kama hivi. But like spinach.
Yeah, spinach.
Alright. Huh?
Yes, spinach.
I know. Mbuya.
This is
Yes.
vegetable. This one.
Not the spinach.
Yeah, it's good because I'm the one who planted.
Yes. And if it does not grow very fast,
This one?
it cannot grow very fast.
He said 2 weeks in time.
Yes.
Mafala kidi mai Sophie.
Yeah, that's right.
Alright. Amaje kula watoshika mchemba cherementi hakuna vasumboda. Kula wadine mvura cherementi.
Oh, one.
Mutura na memanje be yakatumbuka wasumboda cherementi.
Oh.
Mutura never.
I'm going.
Alright, see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Bring my onion.
Okay.
Give me one plant.
Yeah, I'm almost finished.
Sure.
Ang magtanim ay hindi biro, maghapong nakayuko. That's a farmer's song. Here.
Yeah. Straight line. Like this. Straight.
Is it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sir. Straight line.
Sure.
All right.
Green pepper. Green pepper, onion.
Yeah.
Like this. Dumbe. Like this. Dumbe. Like this.
Okay.
Yeah. From Australia.
Yeah. Oh, really? Yeah. How many more?
Yeah. Teach me English.
Teach you English.
From Australia.
Ambuya is very good in English.
Oh, from Australia.
She can teach you.
Yeah. Ambuya.
Eh.
From English, from Australia.
Yeah.
Teach me. Ambuya.
Ambuya is good. He is. Oh, this one. Hard.
Like this.
Soil. Ooh. Okay. This way.
It's fine.
Come here.
Oh, sorry.
Almost finished.
Finish. Another 4 plant.
Eh.
Exercising.
Eh.
I'm sure.
It's a good exercise.
Sure.
Woo!
Like this water. Like fish.
Finish.
Yeah.
Yay! So I need to plant.
Another. No. Like this tomorrow, another bed.
Oh, another.
Another bed.
All right. Oh. Get water.
Yeah, like this name. Eugene. It's me.
You build this?
Yeah.
When? Yesterday?
Like this. Another symbol.
Okay.
No. Peel off.
Oh. Oh, this is new.
Yeah, like this.
What's that? 2023, last year.
No, maybe some 2 years. Like this.
Okay.
Like this. One bed. More.
So tomorrow we will plant there.
Yeah.
So where's the onion?
Like this.
This is hard now.
Like
The yam.
like this, not the one plant. Yeah.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
That's sugar cane, yeah?
Zimbe. Like this. For here.
Okay.
From Australia. No.
I don't know.
Alright.
Finish. Now I'm done. Well done. I plant. So wait. The weeds. Oh, the insects. See the insects there. There's insects. Yeah.
Like green. Like this. Vegetable.
Yeah.
Not the viscose. Like tsunga.
So these are all the same.
Not the symbol. Not the
Okay.
symbol. Not the one plant. Like this.
Same plant.
Yeah,
Okay.
Like this.
You see how big this one? Big.
Big. Like this.
Yeah. Yeah. So big.
Yeah.
Very fresh.
Manure grass. Not fertilizer.
Yeah, not fertilizer.
Yeah.
It's good.
Sure.
It's manure. Compost.
Yeah, compost.
Compost.
Yeah.
It's called compost. Good job.
Like this. Big.
Yeah. Yeah, it grow naturally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm tasting vegetable.
You eating fresh from the garden.
Yeah.
How is it taste? Can taste? Not that
No.
one? This one?
Not tasting.
Eat? Eat?
Yeah.
To eat the vegetable. Like salad.
Sure.
Alright.
Alright.
Should I stay here
Sure.
and eat this?
Like.
No, I need some cucumber here. Bring me cucumber while eating this.
Vegetable. Alright.
And tomatoes.
Like salad. Alright. Yeah, like this one go out ku ta pinto.
Oh wow. So it's a bit bitter.
What else?
Bitter. Yeah. Yeah, it's nice.
Vegetable. Beanie. Carrots.
Where's the onions?
Carrots.
So these are the onions. They're still small.
Small.
Where's the carrots? Oh, you're still planting.
Vegetable. Like this. Not the salt.
So that's for tomorrow.
No.
Where? Hi Sharon. I plant there. Hey. I did some planting there. That side. So now what we're taking the cows.
Yeah.
We will take them to their house. So we got 3 cows. It's like a family. Mother, father, and daughter. Still noisy. So we're getting the cows now. Going, taking them. I get the root. Yeah.